Hi, my name is Eden Joo, and I currently serve as the head of U.S. operation of ZipDoc, a Korean healthcare company. We help to find people living here to find right provider and make appointment for them in South Korea. I started working with the Sul Lee Law Firm in 2018. I was working as a director of marketing and planning for another company. At the time, I was also responsible for many of companies' legal matters. Someone I knew, I recommend me to Sully Lopum at the time, and that's how our relations began. At the time, our company was growing quickly, but looking back, we are not quite ready. For example, only in the company file the trademark online ourselves without getting legal advice. And then our product also became very popular, and other company was started copying our product in IDIS. And we also had a business partner who violated against us. So we are dealing with several serious legal issue at the same time. These issues cause significant financial losses for our company. They also took a lot of time and attention away from running business. Some problem could not be solved simply just talking with them. We realized that without proper legal action, it could be really difficult to protect our company at the time. That was when we understand how important it was to have a strong legal foundation. At first, I was very nervous and concerned, actually. The company, the growing up so fast, but at the same time, you're facing more and more legal risk. I realized that we needed more than just someone who can handle the cases, but we needed someone who could advise us for long term or bigger picture to protect our company. A person I really trusted recommend Sully Law Firm. After the meeting team, I felt like they could understand what our company needed at the time. And they were not just looking at the legal problem, but they're trying to really understand our company. I think it was very fortunate to meet Sully at the time for us. I've been working with Sully Law Firm on many different cases. What I really appreciate is that they do not feel just like outside attorneys. They feel more like inside legal partner all the time. And everyone I work with in Sully Law Firm was very professional, responsive, and really easy to communicate with. And the process was always very smooth as well. What impressed me most was that they did not simply just trying to close one case or move on rapidly, but they tried to understand how each legal issue affect our company. I believe that made a big difference for us. We registered and protected many trademark and patent. We also had a several difficult dispute and lawsuit with other companies. There's a one case I especially remember. It was a very difficult case, lasted for a long time. The jury ruled in our favor, so we won the case. However, we are not satisfied with the amount of compensation. Sully Law Firm continued to fight for us through the appeal process and additional legal action. We are eventually able to secure the compensation and achieve a much better result. We could keep growing with a reputation in our industry and also could successfully protect our company trademark, intellectual property. What stood out most to me was the teamwork and strategy. Of course, Sully Law Firm, they have a strong legal knowledge, but what impressed me was how strategically they handle different situations. So I watch how they communicate with opposing attorneys and how they handle in courtroom and how they work with everyone involved in the case. Everything was very professional, and through the experience, it showed me why having the right law firm really matters. I trust them because they do more than just simply give you just answer. They work with you to find practical solution all the time. So for me, Sul Lee Law Firm is not just law firm I call when there's a problem. They are a trusted legal partner that I feel comfortable having beside me as I do business.